Okay, all of you, can you see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Fine, we'll solve previous year's question. I've sent it in the group. Did you all get it? Previous
Yes.
year's this. Okay, this is very important. I'll record this. You can send it to your friends. Share it to your friends. Okay, same pattern. You'll get same. I don't know who took this pic. It was. Okay, check. Just look at the questions. What I've sent to all students. First question: cube root of a negative number is always. You'll have cube and cube root. Is cube and cube root there? Let me check cubes.
So we don't have, so.
Alright, then which is the other one? Set. That's its identities. Okay, fine. So I can cancel the first question. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Okay, sixth question. Look at the sixth one. Read out the sixth question. Mariana, read out the sixth one. First main sixth.
The square of x plus 3y is.
So this is the value. What do you mean by square of x plus 3? What's the degree?
2.
The degree is 2. So how do you find square? This is a and this is b. What's a plus b, the whole square value? A square?
A square plus b square plus 2ab.
It's 2ab. I want all of you to answer, students. I have done all this. We have done multiple revision. Please unmute the call and answer. Okay, now substitute. What do you get? X square plus
3y square
not 3, 9,
9
right? 9y square
plus 6
2 into x into 3y. What is 2 into x into 3y?
3x.
6xy.
Yes.
Mariana, look at the option. Is there any 3xy in the options? Why are you giving
No,
wrong answers?
No,
Look
sir.
at the
When you
option.
multiply.
2 into 3 is 6. 6xy. Which option? What's the answer? Solve it along with the students. You'll have to solve this and send it to me. Do it like a test. Yeah, do it like a test. What's the answer? A, B, C, or D? Which option?
C, sir.
How come A?
So C.
C. Okay, sixth one is C. What about seventh one? What's the value? Who can explain this? Value of this. Okay, look here. I'll tell you how to judge the question. What do you mean by value? Look, stop doing it. Look at the screen. This entire thing just assume as 3. This entire thing just assume it as 4. In between there is no sign. So if you get such question, what will you do? What are you supposed to do?
We use
No. What are we supposed to do? This is the question. What are you supposed to do if this is the question? Yeah. What's the answer? 12. Right?
12.
So instead of giving numbers, they have given bracket. That's it. So what are we supposed to do? Add, subtract, multiply, divide. What?
Multiply.
Multiply. In between two brackets, there's no value. If nothing is given, that is multiplication. So two brackets are there. Use bracket method. X into x plus 3 plus 5 into x plus 3. Yeah, Cherisha, explain this.
Yes, sir. So x into x is x squared plus 3x, sir, plus 5x plus 15.
Okay, is this final answer? Do we have such option?
So we can add 5x plus 3x, sir.
Okay. Others, what's the option?
So x squared plus 8x plus 15.
Okay, x squared plus 8x plus 15. A, B, C, or D? What's the option?
B.
Look, the question, the answer is lengthy, but it's only for 1 mark. I don't know why they've said this question. You have to solve such a big question to get option B. Okay, look, 15 is given, x square. Next, eighth question, try the eighth one. Which chapter is that? Eighth question.
Factorization.
Yes,
Factorization.
factorization. Find the factors of 5x square minus 10x. Okay, how do you find factors? There are numbers and alphabets. What do you mean by factors? What is factorization?
So, grouping terms.
There's no grouping here. See, don't
So,
give wrong answer, students. But
HCF, sir.
whoever is giving a wrong answer, you'll better don't answer. Is there more than three values? Is there four values? Why do we use grouping here? HCF, what is common to 5 and 10? First go with numbers. What is highest common factor? 5. Next, go with alphabets. X. What's the remainder?
X. So 2x minus. So x minus 2.
X minus 2, sir.
So which option?
So the first option, sir. Option A.
Option A. Right? If not, you can take the option. Take the option and try. Look here. Let me take the first option. 5x into x minus 2. Solve this. Multiply this and this. Check which answer you get. 5x into x is 5x square. Minus 5x into 2 is
10x.
10. Are we getting the
10.
10x? Are we getting this? So there are two ways to solve.
Yes.
Either you take the options and solve. Check whether you're getting the question. Or if you know the question, directly you can solve this and get the answer. Okay, Akansha, you were absent for many classes. Don't give wrong answers in between grouping and other things. When I did revision, you were absent. When do we use grouping method, students? When do we use grouping?
So if there are four
If there are 4,
cancelling
6, 8 terms, that is important. Just like that, you can't tell grouping or whatever you all feel. If there is only 4, 6, 8, even number of terms, we use grouping. For this question, how many number of terms we had? How many terms did we have for this?
two, sir.
Two, two terms. When there are two terms, how can we use grouping? Okay, try the next question. Find the value of what? 4.5 the whole square minus 1.5. Look, instead of writing the numbers, let me take just like this. Where did we study this? What kind of pattern is this?
A square minus b square.
Correct. A square minus b square. What's the answer? A plus b into
A minus b.
a minus b. This is how we solve, and definitely you'll get such questions. Very simple. So what is a and what is b? Add and subtract. Tell me the final answer. 4.5 plus 1.5. 4.5 minus 1.5. Those who were present regularly, those who attended regularly, yeah, will understand all this because I have taught all this. Multiplication was, I mean, revision was done. What's the answer for this? 4.5 plus 1.5.
So in the first bracket we get 6 and in the second bracket we get 3.
So what's the answer?
So 18.
18. Which option? Option B.
Option B.
So you can't expect simple questions. Look what they have given. For just one MCQ question, you have to use a square minus b square. And this is how we have to identify. We have studied this. There are two brackets with square. So that is nothing but a square minus b square. A plus b into a minus b. Is first main clear? All of you?
Yes.
I think only 4 questions, I guess. Okay, and remaining question you all can expect. Okay, remaining question you can expect from other chapters. Okay, look at the second main. Do we have any questions from second main? Any questions from second main?
No, sir.
Okay, from third main, first question. Find the square of 5y minus 3x. Okay, find the square of this 5y minus 3x. What is this? This entire thing is a minus b the whole square. What's the formula for a minus b the whole square?
Find a square
A
plus b.
square plus b square minus 2.
Yes, a square plus b square. Whoever answered a square minus b square, that is wrong. Then substitute.
25.
First substitute.
Sir, I'll tell the answer.
Yes, what's the answer?
25y square plus 9x square minus 30xy.
Then all of you, is it clear? Third main first question. How to solve the first one? Okay, try the second question. How do we solve this second one?
So we use grouping method.
A square minus b square.
Grouping method. Very good. Whoever answered that, very good. The first value and the last value is same, and we have plus and minus. A square minus b square. What is A? 4.
4,
What is B? 5x.
5.
The main question is evaluate. And there is 4x plus 5x. There is no plus or minus in between. Just now I explained this is multiplication question. So you have to use a square minus b square.
So 16 minus 25x square.
Look, answering this, yeah, correct. 16 minus 25 square is correct. After writing, answering this is very easy, student. But somebody gave, was it Tanishka who gave wrong answer? Grouping.
So yes, so I saw the other
Okay.
questions. So I
Can you
saw
no? I've
the
written it already. I've written it as 4 plus 5x. How can we use grouping here? Okay, this is a square minus b
that
square, and this is the answer. 16 minus 25 x square. Okay, just a minute. Try the next question, students. Question 3b. Factorize completely. Try that question. Both the questions. Question 3b. Let me stop. Okay, now count how many terms are there. Factorization. How many terms are there in this, students?
4 terms.
Okay, now which method do we use for 4 terms?
Grouping.
Now we use grouping method. Group these two and these two. Only when there are even numbers 4, 6, 8, and 10, we use grouping. For all the values, we don't use grouping. So which is common in this 2a and 4b?
So 2
2 B 2 sir.
Remainder.
A minus
A
2.
minus 2
Next,
minus x
minus x. Okay, a minus same value, right? What's the final answer? Which is common to both?
A minus 2B
A
bracket 2
minus 2
minus x.
A minus 6.
So this is 2 marks question. Look, they've given very basic question. Even for your test, you'll get simple questions like this. The only thing is you have to remember what kind of topics you'll have to apply, which concept. Questions will be very simple. Done. Shall I erase this? Shall we try the next question? Second question, 6x square y plus 9x square. Okay, how many terms are there in this? Count the number of terms.
3 terms are there.
3 terms. So can we use grouping method for 3 terms?
No, sir.
No. Even if you use one single common value, is there any common value for all 3? Check whether there's single any common value.
Y.
Which is common?
Y.
Y is common. So take out y. What's the remainder?
6x square plus 9xy plus 4y square.
That's 4y square. This is the answer. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Question 3C is cancelled. Next, question 4. Do we have any question from 4? You'll have to identify which question do we have from 4th main.
Percentage, sir.
No, that is different. Percentage of what? The gain percent question is incomplete. Okay, B. What is given in B? Evaluate.
2 plus 3b. 2a plus 3b cube.
Cube. So the value is cube. What's the formula for cube? A plus B the whole cube. Take this as A, take this as B. What's the answer for A plus B the whole cube? A cube plus B cube.
So a plus
Plus 2a square b.
Mariana, you stop answering.
So
There's no 2. A cube plus B cube plus 3. A square B plus AB square. If you have learned wrong formulas, please stop answering, students, because even others will get confused. Okay, don't give wrong answers. Better check the formulas and answer, because nobody should get confused. If you tell 2 over here, others will get confused. This is the formula. So please don't give wrong answers. In last moment, all of you all will get confused. If you know the right formula, answer. Okay, now substitute A cube. This is from past 1.5 months. I'm teaching all this A cube formula. Even last midterm I taught and still giving wrong answers. Find the value of A square B in working column. A square B in working column. And this. Okay, next question. You all can try it for homework or do it later. Okay, this is the last question. What is A from this? What's A cube value? A value is 2A.
2a.
Okay, Mariana, answer this. I've written the formula. Substitute, give me the values. What's the value of B?
3 base.
Okay, next A square B. What do you get for A square B? A square B. A is 2A square and B is 3B. What do you get for this? 4A square into 3B.
So 12a square.
Okay, and for AB square, 2A into
So 8ab square.
is it 18, right?
Yes. So
18AB square. Okay, what's the final answer? 2 into A cube. I mean 2A cube.
So 8a cube plus 27b cube plus 36a square b plus 54ab square.
Plus 36A square B plus 54AB square. Okay, even this is basic, very basic question. You'll have to only remember the formula A cube plus B cube. If you're still going wrong with formulas, the entire answer is wrong, students. If you'll write different formula, you'll definitely get 0. It is 3 marks, 2 marks question. Okay, remaining questions, you'll do it. Fine, try it, and the remaining I'll solve. Whatever is pending, I'll solve it on Tuesday. Okay, so this is the final answer. Okay, remaining I'll do it on Tuesday.